Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about two basic functions or formulas in Excel. They are sum and average. So first, let's talk about our table or our data. So as what you can see, we have item, units, unit cost, and sales. These are our columns. And as what you noticed, our numbers are actually in text format. So first thing that we have to do before calculating the sum and averages, we have to change the number or the format of our data into number format. So we have to look for it there. That's why you can see there is number format. So you just click it and it will change into a number format. Now we're good to go. So let's try to solve the total sum of all units. So in order to solve this, we just have to use this formula, equal sign sum, open parentheses, and let's click on the cell where our units start. So let's start with B2 and then all the way to B14. So how to do that? We have to press Control, Shift, and then down arrow. So again, click the cell where you want to calculate the sum, and then press Control, Shift, and down arrow, and then close parentheses, then hit enter. There you go. So that's how we get the total sum of units. Now let's talk about the sum of our unit cost. So in order to get this, we use the same formula, sum parentheses, cell C2 up to C14, close parentheses, hit enter. So that is our that is the sum of our unit cost. Now let's talk about the sales. So let's compute the total sales, sum parentheses D2 to D14, then close parentheses, hit enter. So that's the total sum or the total sales. Now let's talk about the average. For the average, all we have to do is to use this formula, equal sign average parentheses, and then click on the cell and then press Control Shift arrow down and close parentheses. So the average units sold are 26.62. We can actually just convert this into a whole number since they come in units. So let's just convert this into whole number. You just decrease the decimal point into 2 or into a whole number, so you just click this 2 times, 1 2. There you go. So the average units sold is 27. Now let's talk about the cost, the average unit cost. So in order to get the average unit cost, we use the same formula, average parentheses, choose C2 all the way to C14, close parenthesis, hit enter. So the average cost of our units is 27.27. Now let's talk about our sales. So we use the same formula, average parenthesis D2 all the way to D14, close parenthesis, and hit enter. So the average total sales is 364.33. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope that you learned something about sum and average. Thank you.